Hey, what's going on? I cannot wait to show you what is under here. I'll be getting it out later today. Alright, got more mowing to do this morning, and then I'll be headed out to spend time with family for Memorial Weekend. Let's get to it. Thank goodness I finally got all my properties done. I'm done for the day. So now I can relax and have a little fun. So come with me, I got something to show you. As promised, I was going to show you what's under here. You ready? You probably already guessed. Wow. This here is a 1938 Allis Chalmers Model B. This was my grandpa's tractor. He actually used to farm with it long time ago. Now she's all mine. It's a pretty awesome tractor. It holds a lot of sentimental value. So, take the family on a little hayride. Well, it has been a long day, that's for sure. Got a lot of mowing done today, but it was nice this evening to be able to sit down around a campfire and hang out with family. Getting the tractor out again was a lot of fun. I really enjoy that tractor. But it is just about midnight now. I still have to edit this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it here so I can get this edited and get some sleep because I got an early morning tomorrow. So, alright, I'm out of here. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot. I wanted to show you guys this. Have you ever seen anything so crazy before? I've been playing with this thing all evening. This is nuts. My cousin bought this box of fidget toys off of Amazon, and this was one of the things in there. It's crazy, right? I've never seen anything like it, but it's been quite entertaining, and yeah. What do you think of that? Alright, now I'm out of here.